Hi everyone, Siddhi here. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can integrate Twilio into Siphon. So we built Siphon. It's a production ready Python framework that makes building AI telephony agents really simple. It handles all the complicated telephony stuff, SIP signaling, real-time media transport, and AI orchestration, streaming audio to FTT, LLM, and TTS. So it handles all the calls for you, audio, and connection. So you can focus just on the conversation logic. Okay, now let's head over to twilio.com and create a new account. Once you create a new account, you will get two options. You can opt for the trial account for now. And in that, you get some free credits here. I have used some of mine. It gives you like $15. Okay, so you need to buy a phone number in Twilio. So let's buy that. Go to phone numbers, then manage, and then buy a number. Here you get a list of numbers and the price mentioned. You can buy any of the number that you like. And I have already bought a number for myself, and you can see that when you come to active numbers. Alright, after buying a phone number in Twilio, next we need to enable elastic SIP trunking in Twilio. Before we continue, let me just briefly explain what elastic SIP trunk is. So in the old days, we used to have phone with physically connected wires, right? SIP trunk is just the internet version of that. So you can make phone calls or receive phone calls all over the internet without having physically connected phone wires. And elastic here means it can scale up and down. If you have whether 1 or 1,000 calls happening at the same time, you won't have to manually add phone wires. It will handle that for you. Okay, you can search it up, elastic SIP trunk here, and it will take you to the page. And after coming here, create a new SIP trunk. I have already created mine, but you can go here and create a new SIP trunk. Okay, let's go with what I've already created. So just name it, and then it will take you to this page. Save these settings as it is. Next, we'll go to the termination page and create a .pstn.twilio.com domain. After creating that, go to the credentials list and create new credentials. Add the friendly name you mentioned earlier while creating the trunk, and then username and your password. Next, come to the origination page and create a new origination URI. I have already created mine here. You need this link from LiveKit, right? So when you have created your LiveKit project, it will show you a link. Wait a second, I'll show you mine. Okay, come to your LiveKit project, go to the telephony section, and under SIP trunks, you'll see this SIP URI. I'm using LiveKit Cloud here. You can either use LiveKit self-hosted or cloud of your choice. Copy this and move to Twilio. Paste this SIP trunk, paste this origination URI here in this place. And other settings are fine as it is. And then save it up. Alright. After this, Next, copy your trunk domain, this termination SIP URI that ends with .pft and .twilio.com. Copy this and save it in Siphon in .env file as SIP address, or you can hard code it directly to the outbound file or inbound file. Next, we are going to add the number that we have bought to the trunk. So go to numbers, then click on add a number, add an existing number. Now this will show up the number that we have just bought. So click on the number, select it, and click on add selected. Now it has added the number here to the trunk. For your agent worker, go to the getting started page in Siphon documentation, and you can find this code to create your agent. Copy this one and save it as agent.py file. Here I'm using Gemini for LLM, Cartesia for text to speech, and DeepGram for speech to text. Next, we have to set up outbound and inbound file. So go to Siphon documentation. Under calling, you will find inbound. Copy this code over here for inbound. Next, we'll create the outbound file. So in Siphon documentation, go to outbound and then trunks. If you don't already have a trunk ID, you can just pass credentials and Siphon will reuse and create an outbound trunk for you. Copy this code over here. Now all the files are ready, your agent worker, outbound file and inbound file, and all your environment keys are set up. So now let's run the code. First, I'm activating the environment I'm in. First, I'm activating the environment in which Siphon AI package is installed. Then I'm running the code for agent server. Okay, now in a separate terminal, I'm gonna run the code for outbound calls. Okay, let's run this. I should be getting the call anytime now. Okay, I got the call. This is from the same Twilio number that I bought.
Hello, I'm the receptionist for the dental clinic. How can I help you today?
Hi, I want to schedule an appointment for tomorrow on 19th February.
I can schedule you for tomorrow, February 19th. What time would you like your appointment?
5 p.m.
I've scheduled your appointment for tomorrow, February 19th at 5 p.m.
Thank you.
I'm here to help.
So it's working. And the better your FTT, TTS and LLM models are, the better response you will get. Right now I've just come up with any model, but the better model you choose, the better response you will get. Similarly, you can run the code for inbound calls in a separate terminal, and For that, you will need to make the call to the number that you have bought on Twilio. And for that, if you are in a country outside of US or Canada, or then you'll need to buy an IFT pack, and then you can make a call to that number. So IFT in US and Canada is for me because I bought the number of US Canada, but if you have bought the number of some other country, then you'll need to buy an IFT pack of that country to make the call. Okay, not just this, you can save the call recording, metadata, transcription, or hang up the call, and even set the time zone. You can come to the documentation and then call data section. Here you can see all this. Also, activating all these is very simple. You just need to add these to the environment file, and that's it. Okay, that was it for this Twilio integration tutorial. Soon I'll make a getting started video on how you can save your recordings in AWS 3 bucket. See you in the next one.